Yeah, I had to cut this show a little short because I got tired, had to go to bed, and start off for an early morning here. It's approximately 8 in the morning, and as you can see with the floaty in the background, we're on a boat and it's going fast, and Trish and many others, but most importantly, Josh. What's going through your mind, Josh, as we're on the boat?
Well, a little chilly. I would like some chili.
Yeah. And yeah, Josh has drank that whole.
And I have sleep apnea, so I snore and bottle.
Josh drank that whole 1,500 milliliter bottle in under 10 minutes.
And it was my water.
And it was Nicole's, but according to Josh, you can order it to the room 24 hours a day, every day. Yeah. Trish, what's going on? You enjoying your time?
Yeah, it's nice.
So right now, we're leaving the swamps of Cuba, and we're going into the abyss. We're gonna see alligators, we're gonna see chupacabras, and much more. Stay tuned as we get closer in. Well, we're gonna be going in closer. We got a lot of stuff. Yeah, I had to move my spot because the water was coming up there. Josh thought he would block it, but oh, what is that?
No one cares about you, BJ.
Why?
I don't want to listen to you.
Why? Yeah, we're going up there. On the right-hand side there, that's Skull Island. And on the left-hand side, that's Fiddler Island, I think. Fiddler Island. We're coming into dock real soon. When we get there, we're gonna have a nice lobster dinner and also see what it's like living on the Cayman Islands. Yeah, I just got out of snorkeling. Great time. And saw loads of fish, loads of barracuda, loads of sharks. And Josh, well, it didn't go too well for him. Josh, show them your leg. Josh cut up his leg, got a blister on his foot, and a huge booger in his nose. Trish, tell them about your experience.
Not good.
Not good. And Nicole hurt her hand. Like she got a big bad blood blister. Now we're heading back over to the, I think we're going to the Virgin Islands. I think. And on here you can get all the drinks that you want free of charge. Josh has been drinking so much rum and cokes, he's sick of them. And now he's gonna get some pina colada.
I wonder how deep that water is.
Hola, hello, please come forward, everybody.
Yeah, Josh left all of his shit in the boat, or in the car. Yeah, he left his stuff in the car. Josh just himself, that's why he's walking to the dock. You're up. Yes, if you take sand from Cuba, it's stealing. Just unloading right now off the catamaran on this nice island. We got the island going. We got people videotaping, and by videotaping I mean pictures. We got the Liberace singing. It's a great time. And then you have Josh. And then Trisha's trying to strike a pose right now. That's how you do it. That's what I like to see. Boom. That picture. But yeah, it's great. Gonna have a good time. Went to the dolphin show. Didn't have my sunblock on. In the water. No sunblock. I don't know how this is gonna end up. I hope that I don't get burned tonight. Burn and ruin my trip. But now, I'm gonna go get some lobster and maybe a couple drinks and relax on this beach or island. This is Skull Island. This is the lineup. That's what it's all about, Josh. We picked up some Cuban lobsters. I don't know what that is. Looks like Ben's rice. Cuban lobster tail. Josh, how is it, buddy?
You know, the second
perfect.
Shell card.
How is it, Trish?
Salty.
Salty, eh?
Good.
And then we're posted up right on Frank Block.
That is different.
What's the taste though? Different
Really
doesn't
salty, eh?
different doesn't describe anything.
Like a dry salt.
Dry salt. So they cure this. So they cure this lobster in salt and then they rinse it off. I guess.
Is the rice good?
I'm gonna dig into it.
No.
Eat it. Beat it. And reheat it.
Yeah, that's real good.
Just set it up, Josh. Josh, just set it up. What are you getting here, Trish? Okay. How much are they? How much are they? Let's tune back into Josh. Getting the old pineapple drink.
It's okay, I can just drink it.
What's your first taste, Trish?
A lot of liquor. I'll have the same.
How much liquor?
Just a little bit of rum. Here, try it.
Okay. Wow. That's like 50-50. I would say that's like 50-50, eh? Josh, you see the shark out there?
Josh, sweetheart.
That's one way to wake you up.
But be careful because it will tip.
This is my life now.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's see if we can get a shot of your retainers. Show us your retainers underneath. I'm gonna try and focus it. Let me try and focus it. Purpose. I got your retainers. How's yours taste? Like 50-50? Oh, gross. Yeah, we're in Cayo Blanca Bear. Where are you girls going? Oh, you're getting the scenery for the old snapshot. Josh is... There he is. There's the camera guy. Now we're heading out now, and Josh has been doing the same thing he's been doing the whole trip, sleeping. Trish got some sun. We're heading off the island there, and heading back home. And by home, I mean the resort. Here's Trish's sunburn. And Nicole killed someone and hid it somewhere, as you can see.
She killed my dad.
What's that, Josh?
She met up with my dad before I could get to him. I couldn't warm him, so she murdered him.
Let's talk more about your unshaved belly button.
You like that?
No, this place will be missed for sure. Great lobster, great chupacabra.
Chupacabra.
And great times were had.